Lord Jesus, they killing me. This is the most potent drink we've ever made. Okay, so we hit it with some strawberry slices. All right, we're gonna put a ton of tropical fruits in here. Mango, cherries. Then we come behind that with some pineapple and passion fruit. Okay, I stumbled on this in the store and I knew I had to add it, okay? I never really used it before. Then we get a full bottle of white rum, okay? That goes into our 1 gallon jug. Then a full bottle of Sailor Jerry. As you know, that's like 46% alcohol. Stronger than the regular rum, and it's good to go. Then we come behind that, ladies and gentlemen, with Myers and Kraken, half bottle of each one. This is pure fuel, okay? Everything you see in there right now is booze. Then we add in some tropical punch, okay? Just to make it look legit. Come behind that with some mango nectar, okay? And then we pour in some cherry juice just to get a nice little mix going. Then top that off with some mango nectar, but we're not done. Leave some room because we hit it with Bacardi 151, okay? That right there is potent. I give it a little shaking, okay? I don't know what I'm mixing because everything in there is pretty much alcohol, all right? Okay, now to give my friend a little sip. Vivian, what do you think, girl? Oh yeah, that's right there, it hit her, okay? But then I take a sip because I'm a man and I can handle it, okay? Okay, right there, ooh, it hit me.